And so, the Lombacks discovered the little-known pirate party foul 21-13, which states, never interrupt a band of grogged-up space pirates simply because you lost your robotic mate and seek the assistance of a dead captain.
Skip to the part about the curse.
Whoa! Spoiler alert! We haven't even gotten to Hildefar Island.
Oh, all right.
Okay, sorry about that, I'm back. My mother was calling me to grab some tea.
Ratchet? Ratchet, are you alright?
Clank? Clank, is that you? Clank!
Ratchet, are you okay? You swallowed an awful lot of water.
Please. It'll take more than a few space pirates to stop me. Come on.
James,
let's
please
check out the
shut
island.
up. Damn it, my dog is simply... Oh, those are in CS, claim your weapons. Tough luck, Mihar. We have to buy them back, believe me. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog barking, but his name is James. Yeah guys, I have already a video of him. Damn it, it doesn't shut up. I'm going to tell you a story. 6 months ago, around that time, James never barked. That dog never freaking barked. You could like grab his mouth and he would only do some kind of squeak. And as of today, he doesn't shut up. Oh crap. He does not literally shut up.
Sent us here for a reason. There has to
He's
be
barking
some kind
at
of connection.
nothing. James, please.
The drawbridge is rusted shut.
This is the new function I was talking about.
You can use your Ventus kinetic tether. Think you can handle this one? Nice job, Ratchet.
Hey there, young fella. Welcome to Hildefar Island. My name's Barnabas Worley. Mayor Barnabas Worley, to be precise. What brings you here?
I got shot out of the cannon.
Cannon, must have been messing around with those pirates. Well, any enemy of Sprocket and his gang is a friend of the island.
We're trying to contact a friend of ours, but I can't seem to catch a signal. I don't suppose you have a radio tower we could use.
Sorry, miss. We had a supply beacon, but someone vandalized it last night. But if you help us repair it, I'm sure you'd be able to contact your friend.
Okay.
Really? Well, that is good news. Just climb to the top of each wind turbine and give the old boat crank a turn.
Check out the wind turbines. I'll head to higher ground.
Okay.
If I can catch a signal, maybe we can ask Pete what we're supposed to be looking for.
Oh, dang-nabbit. This is the third time this year these old wind turbines have stopped working. It's sabotage, I tell you. Someone's been messing with my equipment. Problem is, these here wind turbines are about the only thing keeping the juice flowing through the island. No juice, no beacon. No beacon, no supplies. You follow? Anyways, my brother-in-law was supposed to come back and help repair these turbines, but he probably went fishing instead. Think you could help a fella out? I'd do it myself, but I don't much care for heights.
Okay.
Oh, I'd sure appreciate it, stranger. Couple of good turns on that bolt crank up there ought to get her going again. Good luck.
I'm going to help the guy out. I think I need to do it anyways, so... Okay. James, please shut up. I love you, but I'm recording. Yeah, okay, it's Ratchet. So 1 out of 5. Now I can use the map. I only played through this game one time, so I don't really remember. No, I want you to break. Ah, come on. I need to wait for it to explode. I need to grab some guys and throw it there so that the door opens. I think. I'm not sure, but that's what I think. Oh no, I missed. I was looking at that in hope I could jump there or something like that. Oh well. Delta. I don't think this game isn't even has skill points. Moves. I have move lists, inventory. I think the weapons come into the inventory. Mission. Oh, I can. Yeah, my mission is to repair all of them. So might as well do this. Oh crap. Wait, I wasn't hit. Magic. Oh wait, it's still a bit far away. Come on. What, dude? Come on, aim at that crap. Oh crap. Oh shit. I was reckless, I admit. It's over nonetheless. And I'm recording for 20 minutes now. I really can't hear shit of what they're saying in the game. Can I do something here? Whee! Might as well get as many bolts as I can. Oh, these guys, these things over here, I can use them to destroy some doors. But where's the door? Ah. Oh, they blow. Oh, there's the door. Didn't really notice it. But they blow up after a bit. Hello? Oh, damn it. Where did you guys come from? There goes James again. These crates are put up in an artistic way. Time for a grinding section. I need to go grab one of those things. Nice, isn't it? Some new things to do in the game. I don't know why, I think the swing shot is messed up in this game. That's kind of glitchy when you use it. I don't know, or is it just me? What a big grinding section. Whee. Well, at least we're another turbine. It's working like it should. James blocks. James, please. Please.
Ratchet, this whole town's been ransacked. The thief stole anything that wasn't nailed to the
Oh,
floor.
damn it, James.
No. So far, the only
I
thing
feed
that
you
can
every
hold
day.
on
What the hell more do you want from me? I think James hates me. Sad story of my life. But then again, when I go close to him, he's like, "Num, num, 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 let me lick you. Lick, lick. I love you." But then he does me these things. Do I need to go underwater? Something like that. Something important? No, only some bolts. It's good though. So let me see. I need 2 more. Oh, look who's here. It's the smuggler.
Well, look who's here. Small galaxy, ain't it?
Ah, too small. Ah.
So, what brings you to Murdergraw, friend? Well, how fortuitous. I myself am quite the resourceful entrepreneur, if you know what I'm saying. Well, if you need anything, you give me a holler. I just might have something useful for you. Know what I mean?
Maybe my weapons?
Son, can't you see I'm off the clock?
Yes, this guy will be our dealer for this game. I think, at least. Not all the weapons will be get from him, but some of them, if I'm not mistaken. The Gamma. I don't think we repaired this one yet. Nope. I can pick that. Yeah. It's full of sauce. Yay, it was perfect. Fourth one is repaired. Bring the juice, baby. Time to collect the crates that were on the floor. I saw some of them around this. There they are. Oh crap, where did you guys come from? No weapons. Okay, is it this way? Yep. Oh, damn it. I thought I was going to make it. Blow up. Let's climb then. I'm only going to get this. I like bolts, in case you guys didn't know. Oh damn it, I thought I was going to make it. Shit. Ah, damn it. I wasn't fast enough. Is it this one? Yeah.
Ratchet, come in. There's something strange happening on this island. I'm here with some of the villagers and... well, they're talking about...
Okay.
A curse? Come on, Tal. There's no such thing.
I'm sure it's nothing. I'll do some more digging and get back to you.
Oh, now it was perfect. Before I was hit twice and that cost me my life. But with this is the last one and it's now fully operational, I think. And James is barking to celebrate. Please, James, please.
Ratchet, I'm over at the supply beacon. Come meet me as soon as you can.
Okay, I'm going there right away. But how do I reach that place? Where's one of those rocks? Oh, there it is. I think I need to bring one along, but might as well first complete the path. Okay, that should suffice. Game of the rock. Shit! Oh, managed. I threw the rock a bit too early. Oh, there's my girl. That officially, by the looks of it, it's Ratchet's girlfriend. But to tell the truth, I would prefer Angela Cross. I don't know, because she's a Lombax. That doesn't seem that weird, right? I don't know, don't get mad at me guys, just my opinion. Oh come on, the last one. It's that. Oh, James.
Looks like it's missing a standard Grummelnet VersaVolt. I'll check and see if I can...
Come on, dude. Do I need to talk to this guy? Something like that.
Oh, hey there, pal. I
I heard there was a Lombax on the island, but I didn't believe it. What can I do you for?
Ah, damn it, James. You're being too annoying today.
Afraid not. Looks like some bum stole the bolt straight off the power coupling. I can't connect the darn thing. Annoying for some people. Anyways, if you're looking to get a signal off the island, you'll have to find another bolt. I think I saw someone selling one down by the beach.
I guess I know who it is. And you guys probably already know who it is. It's that damn smuggler. For how much he'll ask the bolt for? Because this game bolts run really low.
Well, howdy, friend. Now what can I do for you? Well, what do you know? I happen to have one right here, procured by perfectly legal means, of course.
With a crowbar!
How about we make ourselves a deal?
Damn it, so
Here you go.
much.
I'll see you around, partner.
I think that guy thinks I'm like shitting bolts. Bolts come out of my ass like poop. Okay, that was disgusting and weird.
Hey, you found one. Nice going, kid. Local Beacon Union 319 thanks you for your charitable contribution.
I bought it
Here
from...
we go. Just put this on here.
Who stole it?
See if you can give it a good turn there, champ. I do it myself, but I'm on break. Union rules, you understand.
Yeah, I got it. So do I need to go there? I would assume so. Oh, come on, dude. It takes so long. Oh, I can double jump on this place? I was only jumping once because I thought it didn't work. What the hell? Isn't that a tiny space for that jump? Oh well. I'm here nonetheless. Damn, Ratchet, don't be sad. I know you're almost dying, but don't be sad. I'm here for you, for the good and the bad stuff.
Young Lombax, I give you the Obsidian Eye, the most powerful Laurentian telescope in the universe. It was created with lenses carved from obsidian glass and powered by a single fulcrum star. Darkwater built it himself so as to keep in contact with his little friends.
Can it tell me where they are?
Well, sure, if we have a fulcrum star to activate it. Here, I took the liberty of borrowing this from our archives. They're pages from Darkwater's personal journal.
Captain's log, the 3rd of August. My trip to the Braga star cluster was fraught with savings. Not only did I find a great place for cheap Krull cobbler, but I also met a mysterious race called the Zuni. Friendly little creatures they are, can manipulate time and space to their will. Their leader gave me a fulcrum star I can use to talk to him with once I return to Polaris. It's worth a fortune, but I wouldn't part with it for all the bolts in Meridian City. The only worry is me miserable first mate Slag. It's only a matter of moons before he tries to pillage me property. But I've taken steps to defend it well into the afterlife using an ancient arachnoid incantation and a coupon for one free curse at the Hulafar Magic Emporium. I'll forever bind me soul to me body so that I may protect the Fulcrum Star. He who disturbs me shall disturb my entire crew. This I swear.
Scary shit.
That star ought to be locked away with the rest of Darkwater's treasure. Find that star, and you'll find your friend.
Ratchet, I think I'm getting a signal.
Rusty Pete to Lumbax. I have crucial information about Captain Darkwater. I'm dropping anchor at the Hulafar Pier. Over and out.
Look who it is. She goes flying, and I'm on foot. Cool story, bro.
Well, it's about time, mate. I've been radioing you all night. So have you found the Obsidian Eye yet?
Yeah, but it doesn't work. Darkwater hid the Fulcrum Star.
Not surprising. Cheap old Beanrake never did trust anyone. Of course, we were trying to kill him at the time. Good news is, every pirate worth their salt keeps a map to their buried treasure.
A map? Well, where is it?
Well, that's the bad news. It's probably still with his body over in Morrow Caverns. Tell you what, mate, why don't you let me help you find it?
Wait a minute, why are you having this?
Can a pirate who's never told the truth in his life go blatantly out of his way to help the Lumbax who killed his best friend and captain?
Okay, we're in.
Right, and I have just the pirate to help us. Ta-da! I call it Slag on a Stick. Rerouted his memory banks to his vocal processor, so he'll remember anything he's looking at. Now climb aboard, mateys, and put your faith in good old Captain Slag.
Okay. Seems legit.